Today, I'll show you how to smooth your keyframes so your animation feels more natural and professional. We're going to focus on using Easy Ease to turn stiff mechanical motion into something that eases in and eases out smoothly. This is a quick but powerful technique you'll use all the time once you get the hang of it. First, make sure you have your animation set up on the timeline and that you can clearly see the keyframes you want to adjust. Keyframes are those little diamond or icon markers on your layer that tell the software where an animation starts and ends or how it changes over time. If your motion currently feels abrupt or it moves at one constant speed from one keyframe to the next, smoothing them with Easy Ease is exactly what you need. Start by selecting the keyframes you want to smooth. You can do this by clicking on a single keyframe or by clicking and dragging a selection box over multiple keyframes on the same layer or across different layers. If you want to select several keyframes that aren't next to each other, hold down your standard multi-select key like Shift or Command or Control and click each one individually. Make sure the keyframes you actually want to affect are highlighted because Easy Ease will only apply to the ones you've selected. Once your keyframes are selected, move your cursor over one of them and right-click. This brings up a context menu with a range of animation tools and options. From that menu, hover over the Keyframe Assistant option. This opens a secondary list of tools specifically designed to help you refine motion and timing. In that list, choose Easy Ease. The moment you choose Easy Ease, the software updates the selected keyframes. Visually, you'll usually see the icon of the keyframes change, which is an easy way to confirm that the easing has been applied. Under the hood, what's happening is that the interpolation between those keyframes is no longer linear. Instead of moving at a constant speed from one keyframe to the next, the software is now accelerating into the motion and decelerating out of it, creating a smoother, more organic feel. If you prefer working with keyboard shortcuts, there's an even faster way to do this. With your keyframe still selected, simply press F9 on your keyboard. This is the shortcut for Easy Ease in many animation workflows. It does exactly the same thing as going through the right-click and menu route, just much faster. As a good habit, try to memorize this shortcut because you'll likely use it constantly when polishing animations. After applying Easy Ease, play back your animation. You can move the playhead to a point before your first keyframe and press the spacebar or your usual playback shortcut. Watch how the motion now feels. Instead of moving at one fixed robotic speed, the object should gently speed up as it starts moving and then slow down as it approaches the next keyframe. This easing in and easing out is what gives animation a more natural, cinematic quality. If the motion still doesn't feel quite right, you can always stop playback, adjust the timing of your keyframes by dragging them on the timeline, and then play it again. Easy Ease is just the starting point. It gives you a smooth foundation that you can refine further if you want even more control later. And that's all there is to it. By selecting your keyframes, applying Easy Ease through the Keyframe Assistant or with the F9 shortcut, and then playing back to review, you can quickly transform rigid motion into smooth, polished animation.